birthday pa. Love you. Miss you. More birthdays to come.
Pa, happy birthday. And more birthday to come. And wish you a good health and long life. I love you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Joe! Happy birthday, Uncle Joe!
Happy birthday, Lolo Joe! Yay!
Hey, Uncle! Happy birthday! God bless your generous heart. Enjoy!
Happy 60th birthday, Kapsat Jo!
Happy birthday, Uncle John!
We wish you more birthday to come and good health. Salamat sa pagiging generous mong kapatid. And sana hindi ka magbago. We got your back! Mag-ingat palagi sa paglabas kay ni Leisa.
Enjoy your vacation!
May God bless you more and we love you.
Hello Uncle Joe, happy 60th birthday. Mag-iingat lang palagi, stay healthy, ingatan ang kalusugan. And enjoy your first day as a senior citizen. God bless you and your family. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday po, Lolo Marcos.
Happy 60th birthday, Uncle.
We wish you good health and long life.
Ingatan niyo po ang sarili niyo, Uncle.
Ingat ka po lagi dyan, Uncle. Enjoy mo po yung birthday mo.
God bless
We love you and
We
God
love you po. God bless.
Hi Tito, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko mabigyan ka pa sana ni Lord ng mabang buhay. Happy birthday ulit Tito. God bless and more blessing.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Dahil 60 ka na, ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Si Wadjo ayaw mag-message kasi naiiyak daw siya. Bye, I love you all.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Manong happy birthday. Sana lagi kang patnubayan ng ating mahal na Panginoon at bigyan ka pa ng mas maraming kaarawan at magandang kalusugan. Ganon din ang buong pamilya mo. Naway puspusan at bigyan ka ng umapaw na biyaya ng ating mahal na Panginoon, lalo't higit at para sa ganon ay mayroong ang maging malakas na pangangatawan. At muli, happy birthday and we miss you, we love you.
Manong, happy birthday. Sana sa 60 years old mong edad, maging malakas at maging malusog ka palagi at sana gabayan ka palagi ni Lord at sa inyong pamilya, sa inyong mga anak at we wish you all the best and may all bless you and enjoy your 60th birthday. Happy birthday. We love you and we miss you very much.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Joe.
More birthdays to come and wish you all the good health and God bless.
Take care always.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Wish you more birthdays. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ading. Sabay kumata, nakaradkad ka latangag na nayon.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Joe! Joe, 16 gaya man. Sabay ko makinapo ta. Nagnarayo ka, nagpiyag tayo. Lalo ganyan malaw.
Pero na ba akong pinag-object ng kakapsat? Siya mo ba na may pinagpatulag kay kanya?
Happy birthday, Bayaw! Ang tangi kong hiling lang sa Panginoon. Sana tanggap nila ang inyong kabaitan, kabutihan sa inyong mga kapatid, pamangkin. Naiiyak na kami. Sauli.
Hello everyone. Kumusta ka kita? Pilipinas ka ba guys? Birthday gayam. Gayam ti 60 years old din. Hanggang magalo maklakay. Ubing pera data rowam. Ang nadam at abagay mang kaunay agin inom. Tano kastagat ka salon at kalatangan nga nayon. Kantahan ka mang kititi happy birthday ti Italiano ka ba guys? Tanti auguri ate, tanti auguri ate, tanti auguri, tanti auguri, tanti auguri ate. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless you kabagis. Kastular tayo ti biyak ko ba dito pili ko Italy. Nasalon at ka si ti Apo. So nga anatang tabagbagim naman na yung peti biyag mo. Kan kastamat kada kayo nga kabagis ko kan kapagyak sapay ko mata nasalunot kay nga nayon. Kastilatang dapat ti ko papanak. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Happy birthday again, kabagis. Happy birthday.